Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find out your motherboard model on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. There may be a situation when you need to know your motherboard model number for many reasons. For example, to check hardware compatibility or to install system drivers on your system. Here I'm going to be showing you two methods by which you can know your motherboard model number without opening your computer. So the first one is by using command prompt. So on the search option, search for command prompt. Here we have our command prompt application. Open this as an administrator. So here we have our command prompt. Here run one simple command. Don't worry about this command. I'll put this command in the description box and here hit enter. Here you will find your manufacturer, product and serial number. So I'm using Gigabyte motherboard and the model name is B450 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi. Now let me show you the second method. For that you can simply search for system information on the search option. So here we have our system information application. Simply open this. Here we have our system information window. Here simply click on system summary and look for system manufacturer. Here you can see that I'm using Gigabyte motherboard and the model number is B450 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi. So this way you can know your motherboard model on Windows 11 without physically opening your computer. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.